Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you a story. It is The Elves and the Shoemaker. Are you curious about the story? Me too. Let's take a look at the story. Once upon a time, there is a shoemaker and his wife. They have no money. One day, the shoemaker is in his shop. He has some leather. Look, they're on the table. He cuts out some shoes. Look, the shoemaker seems very good at making shoes. And the shoemaker says, I want to go to bed. I can make the shoes in the morning. Cluck, 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 cluck. So the shoemaker and his wife go to bed. What will happen in the morning? In the morning, the shoemaker sees some shoes in his shop. Wow, look, they're on the table. Did you make the shoes? Says the shoemaker. No, says his wife. So who made the shoes? Let's have the answer. The shoemaker sells the shoes. He has some money for more leather. I can make some more shoes, says the shoemaker. The shoemaker cuts out some more shoes. He and his wife go to bed again. Cluck, 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 cluck. In the morning, the shoemaker comes into his shop to make the shoes. Look, what happened? There's some more shoes on the shelves. It's amazing, right? Who made the shoes? Look, says the shoemaker. Did you make the shoes? No, says his wife. So, who made the shoes? Let's see. The shoemaker sells the shoes. He has some money for more leather. Look, all the ladies seems very like those shoes. The shoemaker says, I want to see who makes the shoes for us. We can hide and see who comes. Wow, that's a good idea. The shoemaker cuts out some shoes. He and his wife hide. They look to see who comes. Wow, some elves come into the shop. The elves work and the shoemaker and his wife look here. The elves make the shoes. Wow, the elves are good at making shoes too. The elves go home. Cluck, 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 cluck. The shoemaker and his wife come out to see the shoes. Wow, it's amazing. The shoemaker says, the elves help us. They make shoes for us. I want to help the elves. So, what is he going to do? They make some clothes and shoes for the elves. They work and work. Here are the clothes and the shoes. Look, they are so tiny and so little. The shoemaker and his wife go and hide again. The elves come into the shop. Look, they say, here's some clothes for us. Look, they're so happy, right? The elves like the clothes. They have fun in the shop. The elves go home. They're happy. The shoemaker and his wife have a lot of money and they are happy too. And this is the end of the story. Hope you like this story and have learned something. So it's today's lesson. Bye bye.